the valuable insights that has been taught in this incredible workshop regarding resume and cover letter, which will be helpful for me in my future and advance in my career goals.
And many things in this workshop.
One of the best workshop where I learned about ATS.
I learned many things from this workshop regarding the cover letters and CV and resumes about the detailed information. So thank you.
I learned many things from this workshop and that is very beneficial for my career.
Best workshop and we learned new keywords for resume and CV.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सेशन लेके और इसमें मैंने कीवर्ड सीखे और रिज्यूमे और सीवी
Very good fashion workshop and I learned many things.
मैंने इस वर्कशॉप के अंदर रिज्यूमे बनाने सीखे, सीवी सीखी एंड बहुत सारे कीवर्ड सीखे.
Being part of the workshop is very good.
In this session, I learned a lot of